We'll have a very quick glance on the procession of vehicles. இப்போ motor bikes இருக்கிறாங்கல்ல, the motor bikes left aligned, right aligned, and the center aligned is the cars. Are the cars. Okay, are the cars. Now left aligned are certain vehicles that take en route, and then on the right aligned there are certain motor vehicles that take en route, and there are centrally placed cars. Now these are Benedicto, Benevolence, Benzi, Genzi, kind of formal, very progressive, and very compatible the measures that are set forth. So these are considered to be the in procession, in progression, and also they are exemplifying the compliance of how a formal system works. Now you could witness it through these are not the motor bikes that are ridden on the tracks, on the racing tracks. uh, they take a very slow procession movement, and then the cars are also these you can see them to be the heavy, the bulky and the sturdy kind of vehicles that are run on slow pace, and also it is something to be held in high esteem, and as a very respectful patronage that are to be given the utmost respect and the privilege. So these cars are generally black and white, and you consider what could be the black that could represent in alliance with, and the white that takes a lead or that is led by the black. So you can see about 10 minutes or 15 minutes of the movement of these vehicles, where it is said to have brought forth the global vision and as how it could be run on roads. The global vision, because when it is left aligned, we have the visionary system that normally when you are left aligned, your eye movement tends to go to the left or the right, and then when you are with the right movement, whether your eyes are tending to go towards the right or the left, but it is not supposed to slant on either of the ways, either irrespective of where you have been positioned in the vehicle, on the vehicle. So this is something that you have to have your vision straight, irrespective of whether you are on the left aligned or on the right aligned movement. Now during the cars, when somebody is driving the car, it is not riding the car, no, it is driving the car. So the steering is not set at the center, though the cars are meant to have taken the median path. The steering is either it would have the it would be left or the right. So it depends on how, if it the making is an import or an exported version of the cars that had been assembled, and an assemblage. So these kind of processions will give us a formal uh, outlook of how certain things actually laid on the broader, on a very broader visionary, the kind of roads that you might have to ply on every day. So there could be certain countries outlets, the villas, the countries outlets that could flag them up. It could be certain inlets or the outlets, and you can find those to be as part of an UT, as part of union territories that exist within the nation's interests and within the nation's prerogative. So this is not just the national highways that we are talking about. This is something that we have the CES, special economic zone, or we call as the global, where certain MNCs are broadening the infrastructures and the roadways and the metroways and things like that. So that uh, this is something on the roads. This is something on the roads, the two wheelers and the four wheelers. So in the procession, there are no vehicles as such, a bicycle or a lorry or an auto rickshaw. So container lorries, those are not to be a part of such a procession. May not have been considered to be within the deemed status of the patronage that, or the privilege motion that is set forth on the roads that you could comply and ply on.